Dennis with Warmup. Today I'm going to be opening some of our most popular products so that you can take a peek inside the packages before they arrive. Let's have a look. The Warmup FOIL product easily installs under carpet, laminate, and engineered wood floors. The product does not require thinset over the top, making it a quick and easy installation. Upon receiving your foil product, you'll first want to confirm the information on the package matches the packing slip. Once you've confirmed that you have the right part, you can go ahead and take the foil out of the bag. Be sure to gather resistance readings before, during, and after installation. Once you've gathered resistance readings, confirm that they match the information on the product tag. Be sure to store the tag in a safe location for future reference. The cold tail coming from the product can be trimmed or extended based on your situation. For technical information on the product, visit warmupedia.warmup.com. You'll notice the product itself rolls out easily. To make a turn with the product, you'll simply cut between the cables and flip to head back in the opposite direction. To secure the foil product in place, peel back this sticker to reveal a sticky tape. Aluminum tape should be used at the edges, the seams, and where there's any exposed cable to help with heat dissipation and keeping the product grounded. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a like, and if you haven't already, I hope you'll subscribe to Warmup for more radiant heating content. If you still have questions, or if you'd like to purchase the products you've seen, you can chat us anytime on our website or give us a call at 888-927-6333. And don't forget, subscribe now.